This 2021 BMW 3 Series is brought to you by RLB Sales. 2021 BMW M340i Hybrid Sedan AWD, 1 owner. This BMW is wrecked and rebuildable. In addition, it runs and drives features include 30L Hybrid i6 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, 19" alloy wheels, power moonroof, leather interior, navigation system, head-up display, AM/FM with premium Harman Kardon audio system, and much more. This is a fantastic BM with numerous features. Assured to please, this BMW was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. Please note it is wrecked and rebuildable. All loose parts should be considered broken. Visit us at rlbsales.com.